Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we are making a lovely breakfast casserole loaded with Italian sausage, peppers, cheese, all baked on a hash brown crust. The whole family is going to love it. The casserole starts by preparing the crust, and today I'm using frozen hash browns that have been thawed. We're going to add Parmesan cheese, 1 large egg, pepper, and melted butter. Toss it all together until it's well combined. Pour into a lightly buttered casserole dish and press out evenly. And by using thawed hash browns here, you can press them down into a nice crust. Next, we'll bake the crust in a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While the crust is baking, saute Italian sausage until starting to brown and cooked almost through. Add diced peppers and onions and continue to cook until the vegetables have softened and the sausage is fully cooked. Next, we'll whisk together eggs, sour cream, milk, heavy cream, oregano, mustard powder, salt, and pepper. And whisk it all together until it's well combined. And now that the crust is baked, we're going to go ahead and top it with the sausage and peppers. Spreading out evenly. Sprinkle with grated cheese. At this point, you can cover each element and refrigerate until the next day if you want to make this a make-ahead casserole. The next day, simply bring out your elements and proceed as we will now. Pour the eggs in evenly. Give it just a little bit of a shake and top with more cheese. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until puffed and set in the center. Allow to rest 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This delicious sausage and egg casserole will be perfect for your next family breakfast or brunch. And prep it ahead if you like to make your morning a little easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe. Or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.